Hey, Jeremy Pace with Gamma LED Vision at InfoComm 2025. Thanks for coming to our booth. We're going to show you the Orux 480. This is a moving head profile fixture. So with the profile fixture, you're going to get color wheel, and then you're also going to get CMY color flags for color mixing. You're going to have a variable zoom between 3 and 50 degrees. You also have 2 gobo wheels, one fixed and one rotating. You also have a circular prism and a linear prism. You can stack those prisms to make more beams and effects. Now, one thing about the Orux 480, since it is a profile light, you do have your motorized shutter blades. These motorized shutter blades can also rotate 90 degrees. You also have an animation wheel, and you have a variable CTO filter. That's really important when you want to change the Kelvin temperature of your bright, cool white, that's about 6,500 Kelvin, down to about a 2,800 Kelvin white. Once again, Orux 480 moving head profile from Gamma LED Vision. You can visit our website at www.gammaledvision.com.